Yeah, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name remains Johnson. So on today's class we'll be talking about roof plan. So from our previous class we commenced with front plan elevation. So today we'll be talking about our roof plan. So in order for us to commence with our roof plan, we need to have a clear view of our plan. So we use our zoom tools to properly zoom in. So after doing that, we know we need a distance from our wall protruding out, and this distance is the distance of the eave away from the building wall, which is a distance of 600 mm. So to achieve this, we'll click on offset, then we impute 600, then enter. So from outside we'll click on it, take it outside, we'll click on it there, then we'll click on this wall as well, so we'll drag it outside, we'll click, same thing applicable, 600, then zoom in, zoom out a little bit, yeah, then also 600 as well. So after we're done, escape, then we'll click on our fillet and chamfer tool. So we'll click on this line to connect with this, right click, repeat fillet, click on this to connect with this, then right click again, click on this line to connect with this line, then right click again and click on this line to connect with this line. So once we're done, we'll highlight these lines, then we move them completely to a fresh page, then we zoom in. So if you can remember from our last class, yeah, we used angle 30 for our roof angles. So we'll be introducing our construction line. So introducing our construction line, we'll use construction line, then we'll click on A representing angle, then enter, then we'll type 30, then enter. So we'll pick it at this point and at this point to save time, then escape. Then for trim, we'll go back to construction line, we'll click on construction line, then type A, enter. To get our other angle we use minus 30, then enter. So we'll pick on this point here and pick on this point here, then escape. So once we're done, we introduce trim, that's TR, enter. We're entering twice, so we'll take this off, we'll take this off, then we'll take this off, then same thing applicable here, then the same thing here and here. So once we're done, we just delete the rest. So delete this, we'll delete that, we'll highlight that, then we'll click on delete, then we'll click on delete. So we'll pick our line again, then we'll pick from this point, connecting it to this point, escape. So after that, once we're done, we'll need to zoom in a little bit so we can have a more clear view of what we're doing. Then close this up. We'll pick our offset line. Let's use a distance of let me say 80, for example. Enter. It could be less, or depending. I just want to make it okay. Let me pick that again so to see what we are doing. We'll click on zoom to properly zoom in. So from this point we want to pick our sheet covering distance from the edges of the roof, from every edge of the roof. So I'm using an offset of 80. So I'll pick from this wall here to this side here. So from here, here, then here, out, same thing here, and this as well on both sides. So I also do that for the external. I'm bringing it inward, I'm bringing it inside. Yes, same thing here. So I'll take it, go all the way down. I'll repeat the same thing here. Take it outside first. Here and here, and same thing here as well. So once I'm done, I escape. Then I'll introduce my fillet and chamfer. So I'll pick this line, I'll connect it with this, then I'll repeat, I'll right click to repeat fillet again. I'll pick this to connect with this, right click to repeat fillet. So I'll pick this to connect with this, and right click again to repeat fillet. I'll pick this to connect with this. Then I'll just keep right clicking to just close up those corners that are cutting across each other. So I'll just keep repeating that, then repeat fillet again. Yeah, so I have this section all closed up. So I'll take it all the way up this time around. So I'll repeat, no, sorry, I'll use a different command. So I'll just click on my fillet again. So I'll click on this, close it up with this, right click, repeat fillet. I'll click on this to close it up with this. So I'll repeat fillet again. Just keep closing up all the lines that are cutting across each other. So as that is going on, then I'll just keep repeating that, right click, repeat fillet. So I'll click on this line, okay, repeat this, then click on this line, and yeah, so there we have it. We've closed up all the crossed lines, and we have our roof line properly outlined. So okay, I mainly prefer these outer lines to be thin lines. So this is what I would do. I'll just come here to my layer, my line width here. So I'll just pick a more thinner line, let's see 25, and I'll pick my line, then drag, escape. So what I'll do next is I'll match property. I'll click on this, I'll click on match property, and I'll click on this line here, then click on my outer lines. So I have my outer lines thin, introduced as thin lines rather. So I'll do the same thing applicable here, here. So once I'm done with that, I would just come straight to my arch. I'll go directly, escape, delete this, I'll go straight to arch. So I'll click on arch, then after clicking on arch, it brings me here. So I'll just scroll to something that looks like a roof to me, to a pattern that looks like a roof concept. So just keep scrolling and scrolling till I find something that looks similar to a roof. Let's keep scrolling and scrolling. Okay, let me see. Okay, let's keep scrolling. Okay, let's use this. Then I'll go to my angle, impute angle 45. Then let's use this to be 20. Sorry, see that to be 20. So I'll come here, I'll click on the pattern again, then I'll come here, I click, then I'll come here as well, and I click. So I'll escape that. So these are facing this side, so they need to go in that direction. I'll click on my arch again, I'll click on this. Then this time around, let's change this to be 90, angle 90, our angle to be angle 90. Now click on the pattern again, then I'll click here. Okay, angle 90 is not giving me what I want, so Control Z. Let me try 0, angle 0. Click on this pattern, then bring it all the way, bring it all the way here. Okay, still not giving me what I want. What other angle? Let me try 120 and see if that will give me what I want. Okay, we're almost there. Control Z. Let's try 150. Then click on the pattern, then let's put it there and see. Okay, I think this is reasonably fair enough. I think, yeah, this is fair enough. Then yep, so it gives us that roof pattern that we want. So here is a roof plan. So in order for us to avoid having multiple colors, we just use our match property. We'll click on the inner deep lines and highlight this, then we highlight this, and we highlight this as well. Then the same thing goes for this side and this side. Then drag it all the way down and we highlight this and this. Yeah, so there we have it. We have our roof plan. So just in case the angles of the arching is not okay by you, you can keep changing your angles till you get what you want. Just keep playing around and keep playing around till you get exactly how you want it to, the direction you want your arching to face. So there we have it. This is a roof plan design. This is how we design our roof plan, a simple roof plan. So go with that concept and you're good to go. So thank you once again for coming to my AutoCAD class. See you again in our next class, and please do not forget to click on the subscribe button. Thank you for watching.